Okay, now what is in here?
Okay, this is a bar, fam. Eating dinner? That's eating dinner?
Fam,
Wait, this is not the spot.
what are we eating, fam?
Is
this $1 million? Wait, the chicken, that chicken spot?
Who's on both?
That logo, the yellow thing?
Yeah.
I think the doors are on the other side, bro.
Sure.
Yeah, this is not it, fam.
Bro, they literally
Talk about
have
the fucking computer shit.
computer. Bonjour. English or French? We have a table for 6. Saint Jubel, right?
He does, yeah.
He's colorized. Of course he does.
Singer's not?
Not you.
Oh, you were too?
Yeah,
That's sick. Oh, Belgium, fuck. Really?
Hey, I'm ready for casino, fam.
Was he? You're showing casino too? There's a nice new one. You're trying to go.
Okay, no. Wait, a nice one.
$12. So there better be a $12 menu.
Or a $12 casino.
Right? Turn it to 24. Come back. Lovely, fam.
You guys should go casino though?
Fam, we're all about, bro.
Nah, I'm about to. Someone told me there's a happy ending spot.
Happy ending for $12?
Could just touch the tip, I guess. Today's Wednesday, right?
Well, I saw that too. Yeah, no, it's actually so fun.
Make sure it's looking, though.
Okay, yeah.
Like, you have to. I'll look for you. Stay there, stay there. $30. Red poutine. Sorry?
Something to drink, just like?
I'll start with water. Yo, the red poutine is so done. Red poutine.
Where's that?
Hey, what page is the Poutine?
That's
Yeah. You ever like that poutine place? Like a poutine?
what fucking smokes.
Yeah. You hate smokes? No way. That's hair on.
Bruh. Oh, not no question. I think we're already, right? Yeah. Alright, can I get the rib poutine?
Yes. Creamy or regular coleslaw?
You said creamy?
Creamy or regular? With vinegar.
Yeah, I do regular.
Regular.
Please.
Right. Anything else?
That's it for me.
Can I get the St. Hubert chicken?
Coleslaw. The creamy or the regular?
Just regular fine.
Right, how'd I do that link?
You just look yourself up on Twitch, but on the internet version.
Alright, so internet.
Yeah, and then just go on Twitch and look yourself up.
905.
Do I have to like log into Twitch?
Oh, you did it.
Nah.
I was like, it was bad.
Or grab
It was bad. like, one of them was for sure fun. Oh, sir.
Almonds are creamy?
Jumping, I'm scared. You can't be scared right now.
You get it?
Yeah.
We can just make sure it's blessed when you say yours up.
Did you put anything in the Twitch category?
IRL.
Oh, okay.
You can have it.
See,
You ever seen the updated version? No one's seen it.
Bro, let me see, bro.
I can't ruin my secrets.
You heard that? You heard?
Like,
Took like 3 billion pictures.
Wait, is that alcohol?
Oh no, that apple juice.
Wait, what did you say before?
I was gonna say alcohol.
Oh
Ain't drank.
it's like, you even got a bigger bowl. It's like, it's a stack. Put a flat piece. And then just lay flat.
Alright, here's the rest. For the best. Thank you. Wait, fam, I had a. Oh. I have a lot of.
Oh, question. I asked for regular poutine.
Oh, sorry.
So I said this one?
Oh,
I'll just switch on.
no, get out.
So you had the red poutine? Yeah. All of this.
Crazy one.
This was a Pokemon card.
I think it's shining. I don't know if it's not
This was an anti-social napkin.
salt.
Not walk down one.
You bring your skis?
Yeah, I've got goggles. You might as well go to home after. Oh, this is nice. Maybe some more egg. Wow. Yo, what the source plate? Yo, no, no.
Okay, how do you say you want to shower? Shut the fuck
Wait, my language comes from English. Wait. Baby, don't do that.
So you're on the lawn.
Too much fries. I just want to or Sprite.
Alright, you didn't bring eggs?
Nah, I did. You bring weenies? Nah.
These weren't even up for eggs.
Egg is almost dark already.
There's your best friend. That's all I gave. It's 169. Is it right? 71 wood stone.
Okay. Bro, that's sway.
Vamos ligar.
Yeah. No,
Oh, I gotta show her off.
I'm gonna call it for
Fucking hilarious, bro.
Random.
Wait, what?
I don't know.
What's it called?
Nah.
Bro, he started off with a paragraph. He's like, yo, I'm looking to get into real estate. You know anyone that's selling houses? I'm thinking about buying this one. I was like, what?
Yo, bro.
Bro, yeah, it is, bro. Bro, always.
Video?
I'm a holiday.
Nah. Wait, why is he on the screen?
I always saw that on
In the middle of the street, bro. Man says, do you know anything about houses? I was actually sending a response. And then he sent me slaves. I was like, bruh.
Wait, what?
Nah, Riverdale kids.
What's a bear? That's bear. Ever sent me one.
How did it start?
I don't know why it started. I think that's the first one, right? The one you showed. Why did I don't know what's happening. I'm reaching for a VR playing again. He's like, I'm on a walk right now. From my house. It's cool. I'm gonna quit out.
Let's go from 1 to 10.
There's some more seasoning.
Got
6, bro.
6.
And this bear, bro. I like it.
13.
Bro, I don't even know. Did you see that? What's the problem? But this is before DRO. What's that? Montreal'S.
AMP.
Hellstar. Nissan. Drive Cash. Heath Central.
QT Cash. QT Zone.
Who's the chocolate looking boy?
Okay.
No, it
That
means
has
a
to
clip
be
for
you.
me.
Definitely talking about you. Okay, not me.
Damn.
Clip for me right now. Who's a chocolate looking boy?
Is that you? What does that mean?
I'm caramel.
Nah, let's talk about our own. Is it your caramel? What?
Get out! What you know about get out? Let's go check this cat.
Where we going though? Casino.
The mall.
Oh no, I like mall. My bad.
Easy.
My bad. Mall. There's a mall called Underground Mall.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Other stores. OVO.
Crazy.
Hell's Cat. Clip Farm. There's an antisocial store. Gap. Polo.
Champion.
Nike. Blinks for Fafa.
The guy with the goggles looks like Bob Marley.
Hey man.
Nah, chat's going crazy.
That is so funny. Hey man, one love. Who not touch the people? Three little birds.
It's Elisa. Wait, you see the location?
That's your
Where is Elisa? By who? You are?
I said me.
Well, I think you said dropping soon.
No, I said like, I think the fort though.
this is.
Yo, you thieves, bro. Okay, let me get one.
The man said get one. All right, let's see. That's a low key. Let me get one. You said a low key. 3 star.